Yo, what is going on, everybody? Back with another video. I'm actually hold up, let me put the tripod up. Actually just getting water real quick. The shit. Nice day in sunny California, you know. Got the Beamer here, so let's give it a little cold start. Oh god, it's gonna be hot. Ugh, disgusting. Forgot to put the thing up. Holy cow. Dude, when it's a lot colder outside, it's a lot louder. Well, I guess the hose is over there. It was over there, but now I guess it's over here. Let's see if it turns on. Well, very hot. Okay, let's we rolling in deep. Let's what? Okay, I think we're good enough. Okay. Okay, I'll probably let y'all know when I actually go and pick up the Speed 3. But for now, I'm just gonna wait on my girlfriend to get back and then we'll start heading over there. Broke his neck. Okay, just got to my grandma's. Hold up. Yeah. Alright, so I just got a new one of these because mine's all fucked up, and when I sanded it, it's all crusty and shit, so I might as well just buy this because this was really cheap. So I just got a replacement and I'm just gonna swap it in real quick and it's gonna be all better. Alright, so now I need to get all this. Don't mind my heavy toolbox. Jesus, finally got it. Here comes the radio. That's my radio. It's a Kenwood. Forgot what it was called, but I'll link it in the description because it comes with this and it comes with that, so it actually makes it really clean when you put your little side things on. I think this is how they go. Yeah, you just push it on real quick like that, and then slide your radio through the front, I believe. It's gonna be a little stiff to fit in there, so wanna slide like that, and then you'll want to line it up, screw it in, don't tighten it because you still have to put a screw back here. There's a lot of screw holes, so you can technically put it anywhere you want. Okay, that's tight. Okay, tight enough. So this is what I did. All this. Okay, so this is what I did. The sub wire cables go all the way to the bottom, and then connection, all this stuff. These pieces slide into these slots right here. So just line those up. Okay, now it's firm on there, so not going nowhere. Then you just want to put this back, just line it up. Should be good to go. Finally installed my Cobb access port, so now let's start this up. Haven't started in a couple days. Check if the radio's on. Okay, then these enter Bluetooth. Okay, I connected. Put the sub on. Oh, gotta turn that off. Don't want to get copyright. Hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.